had a bit of a technical issue there. Start in a moment, guys. Sorry, I just need to repost this. Bit of a technical issue. Starting in 1 moment. I believe we are recording now. Okay, there we go. Wait, is this live? What's happening here? 1 moment. There we go. Okay, we're back. Right, give me 1 moment, guys. Just got to repost this. Damn. Okay, story. YouTube. Technology. Tests me sometimes, I tell you. Tests me. All right, there we go. It's posting that again. Let's put it in my Instagram. Story. Live stream. We're going live. How are we anyway? How is everyone? How's your week been so far? Hope it's been blessed. Tell me. How's it been? Any barriers you've faced? Any lessons you've learned? Let me know. Engage with me, baby. We're going to get started now. Okay, bam. All right, let me just delete that previous story because that other one didn't work, that link. Fucked with me. Oh, sugar. Swore, sorry. It screwed with me. Technology. YouTube, you're in trouble, boy. All right, let's go. Full webcam. Bam. Hey, we're here. All right, chart view, let's go. Bosh. Bam, bam. All right, let's speak about Bitcoin quickly. Okay, let's just do a quick updates on this one. So, yesterday, remember, this is what the markets were looking out for. We covered some ground on it. You're probably sick of hearing it now, but it's good that we go over it again quickly. We had the FOMC rates. As you remember, I said 0.5%. If that came out as expected, Bitcoin would get a relief rally. Okay, let's just quickly jump straight to Bitcoin and see the relief rally that we had yesterday. If you can see on the daily here, a nice push to the upside. Okay, nice green push to the upside. But you could see again, hence the title of this video, faces another big rejection. Okay, so we're hit with a rejection there. And obviously the selling, well, not necessarily much selling, but today we've seen a bit of downside, right? Testing that 40K mark again to the south. If you look at price action, right? Obviously at the end of the day, we trade what we see, don't we? We trade what we see. And right now, is this recording? Bear with me one moment. Oh, yeah. Okay. Right now, what we're seeing is narrowing of price action. Price action narrowing within this triangular structure. Expected to see a breakout to either to the upside or to the downside, right? We're just going to trade what we see. I am on the fence at the moment just because I explained yesterday in a video, I think the markets need time to adjust to this rate hiking cycle from the FOMC. Okay, need just time to adjust to that, and then Bitcoin can be allowed its rally. But let's see anyway, all right? Right now, obviously, as I say, on a daily, we're faced with this rejection at present. This trend line here, it's been in play since December, right? That's a valid trend line there of resistance and obviously clearly highlighted yesterday. One interesting thing though, I'm just observing right now on a 4 hour, by the way, guys, just to bring you a live update. Here, we could have a breakout to the upside here. I don't know whether it's going to prove to be short-lived or if we are going to get a sustainable, because what could happen if you look here, I'm going to get onto that breakout in a moment, but you see here, this was like a false breakout, right, in February. There's a false breakout at back end of Feb, early March. We had a false breakout there and we sucked back below. Hey, how you doing, Javier Medina? Hope you're well, buddy. So we had a false breakout here, but now it looks like we want to go for another challenge. Why I'm saying that is I'm observing something here on the 4 hour. Can you see this with me, guys? Bit of a flag structure pennant, which I expect, well, technically it looks like it wants to break out, right? Let's just see what's going on in the 1 hour together. Does look like we want to get a breakout of this range. You can see, obviously, on the 4 hour at the moment, we are printing higher lows. Look, higher lows. Higher highs, there or thereabouts, not the cleanest of structure, but near term, we are trending to the upside. Looks like we want to go break out of this range now. You can see there on the hourly, just sat, you see the past sort of 4 or 5 hours where we were capped to the upside. Now we're just getting an exert of energy of buying pressure, to the north. So it looks like we're going to get a little pop, a little squeeze. I just want to measure this pole of this flag structure here. And obviously with this, I expect to see the equivalent of the breakout to the upside. But what could happen is it proved to be short-lived above this resistance area. But this looks potentially attractive here. Bitcoin longs from this current area. Looks like you see on that last 4 hour, not this current 4 hour, but the last 4 hour, bit of a reversal doji from this downside trend, bit of reversal to indicate some buy momentum come back into play, and maybe we go for a little pop to the upside there. You know, when I'm taking these longs on these sort of flag structures, you know, I'm placing stops just below the lower acting trend line. We've got bit of breathing room below this zone as well. But measuring the pole and looking for the equivalent target. Perhaps we just come up and just challenge this top area here, this previous high area of, when was that? The 9th of March. Wow, this month is flying, man. It's crazy. So maybe we just come up to here, be conservative with targets, you know, come for a challenge of this area here at sort of 42,500. It's quite a psychological level there as well for Bitcoin. So potentially just get a breakout from this flag structure there right now. But as I said, we did want to see a bit of relief rally for Bitcoin on the back of the FOMC doing as expected, because it's all largely priced in, right? It's all priced in by the markets. They didn't do anything out of expectations. So Bitcoin has a chance to continue to rally before maybe pulling back, okay? Before maybe pulling back. You know, if we do defy what my expectation, and we clear out of this sort of flag structure here, out of this narrowing structure here, this pennant, this could happen, okay? So we go for a breakout, hit that target as I expect there at 42,500. We then come down for a retest. We don't fake out this time like here. Look, this is a fake out. We went to break out, and then we came back down for the retest. When we're looking for the retest, you want it to hold. It didn't hold. It sucked back below. You motherfucker bastard. You fucker. That is manipulation, baby. That's a fake out. False breakout. So we sucked back below. So this is what I want to see. We're going to come for this breakout here. Hit targets near term, 42,500. Hits that target, fine, lovely jubbly, bit of profit on the table. Come for a retest. Are you going to hold, or are you going to be a little bugger and suck back below? Okay. If it holds, then we go towards 50K. Okay. Or I'm getting my head of myself here. Firstly, 45,500 towards 46K. Right. You guys can see that resistance here. Look at the rejection we faced in March. Look at the rejection we faced in Feb, and look at the previous support. This was a clear level. So that's what we'll be looking out for near term, okay? So let's see. Yeah. I would be careful, obviously, with... all right, let's go on to Ethereum anyway. That's enough about Bitcoin, right? You've heard my scenarios there. By the way, I've got a video dropping tomorrow on Chainlink, okay? Chainlink's one of my favorite cryptocurrencies, by the way, guys. It's one where a lot of my holdings are as well. I've got a decent portion allocated to Chainlink. Tomorrow, a video will be up on this channel. Please check it out. It's just providing a bit of fundamental information about Chainlink, the project, and price prediction on that. Okay, so that video will drop tomorrow. You do want to check it out. I'm going to do more price project reviews, but just leave it in the comments for me. Leave it in the comments, or drop me a message on my Instagram and tell me what you want me to review. What project you want me to review? I'll review it for you. You know, and I'll be honest. I'll provide an honest review of that, because for me, I like to look at the real case value that these, you know, that are being provided by these blockchains. Anyway, look at Ethereum. This is interesting, right? Similar to Bitcoin. Okay, similar to Bitcoin. You see how Bitcoin's going for a big challenge of a resistance level. Seems Ethereum is potentially going for a breakout. But let's make sure this little bugger is not a false breakout, because we know those little shits do. Sorry, I can't sort of help but swear into that. I don't know what's wrong with me. When I woke up this morning, I was on a mission. This morning. Like, you know, sometimes you just wake up and you're just ruling around with this iron fist. Oh, the man. Raging at the man. And the man today is technology. Technology's buggered me today. So anyway, Ethereum potentially breaking out above this resistance. What are we up today? 0.8%. I'm assuming we've got a bit of a flag structure here. Yeah, we have already broken out of it. Look, guys. Okay. Now, can you see that? Bit of a pennant flag. Look, pennant. Beautiful. See, sort of we broke out of that. We retested, now extending to the upside. This could be significant. I don't want to get carried ahead of myself, because I know how many false breakouts we have with cryptocurrency. It's mad. Look at here. You know, just fake out above the area of resistance and come back down. Little bitch. All right, I'm stopping it now. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. Bitcoin Cash, please. All right, I'll check out Bitcoin Cash shortly. So look, we're going for a nice little breakout anyway. This pennant structure for Ethereum. How far can we go? Let's just look left a minute together. I'm assuming... You know what's nice here? Look, I've just spotted something, by the way. Cryptocurrency is so lovely to margin trade at times, though, because look here, you see this with me. Look, left shoulder, sort of head, right shoulder, and look, we flagged it here, and then we broke through that neckline. Look, again, narrowing, breakout. Look, flag, breakout. It's beautiful, beautiful stuff. So anyway, we're having a breakout here. Keep an eye. I'm just going. All I'm doing is just marked up an area of resistance here at this previous. Can you see where it previously supported? So maybe we run into there into 2,880. I mean, this is definitely not going to provide me the RR that I'd want to take on this trade. It's too late. We've already broken out. You know, look, it's just, it provides an risk to reward of 1, you know, just over 1. I mean, it's not, yeah, really you want to be getting in down here and taking those longs. You know, and then we're going to get decent risk to reward as well. You know, it depends what your win to loss ratio is, your percentage, you know, with risk to reward. But anyway, Ethereum, keep an eye on 2,800. Okay, nice little breakout there. Vite. Skunk, how you doing, Skunk QC? Blessed to have you here, brother. Vite. Okay, I'm gonna note that down. And we'll review that bad boy. Vite. And Bitcoin Cash, BCH. Yeah, so XRP, let's see what's going on over here in XRP. Is it going to follow suit with everything else? Remember, I'm really bullish on XRP, by the way, guys. I said it in a previous stream. Look on the monthly, right? We're still going to go and fill this wick to the upside. You see, last month, we staged a rebound. We're going to go and fill this wick up at sort of 91.55. I'm expecting that, you know, that SEC Ripple case to be in favor of Ripple. Look at this flag here. I got overly excited about this previously. Descending channel structure, breakout, retest. In this period of consolidation, look, we're consolidating, and now another breakout. This is going to continue to the north, baby. Look with me. Don't go anywhere a minute. Don't go anywhere, please. All right, so, again, you see how we're breaking out of these periods. I can't get words out today. Guys, you have to forgive me. That's what's happening. Right, see we're breaking out of these sort of flag structures there. All right, obviously that's messy. But anyway, you get the point. Let's see what's happening on the 4 hour. Okay, look. Again, bet that's on the hourly. Probably more clear on the hourly. Yeah, look, you see we're trying to break out again. Go for another push to the upside. Everything's just having a pop today. Pop to the north. Relief rally. This is relief post FOMC. We're not that hawkish. So we've got a chance to rally here. Let's just see where this area of resistance here is. Zone. I'm just going to pull up a zone, just a near-term zone in XRP. Oh, it's just very choppy around this 85 area. I think we've got room to push into 85 cents. Just going to measure this power, this latest flag structure. Longs. You know, it's a bit, we've already popped out of that, but, you know, we place stops, just leave a bit of breathing room below. But I expect this to run towards... That's being conservative as well. Potential longs there for XRP. It looks good. Looks good. Nice little breakout. Yeah. GRT. Are you talking about Luciana? Wait a minute. One minute. GRT. What are you talking about? Are you talking about Ghost Trader? By the way, Luciana. Ghost Trader. What else? Look, Link. I was speaking about Link in a video today, right? And I'm going to post this tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to post this tomorrow. Chainlink. A lot of value in this. Look, I'm being a bit bearish on this at the moment just because there's no sign of a slowdown on the monthly. You know, we broke this head and shoulders, this left shoulder, this head, this right shoulder. I've been quite bearish on this near term. Do check out the video tomorrow, though. I'm going to leave that for the moment. I'm going to leave that for the moment as well because we're going to do a project review on that. Let's see what's happening in Bitcoin. Are we getting our longs here? Let's see what's happening on the hourly. Just waiting. If we can close, you see on this hourly now, what have we got? We've got 10 minutes. If we close outside this flag, if we close above, you see this range where we're capped here at 40K, 40.9. Look, cap. You know, thereabouts. You see breaking out that range near term on the hourly. If we can close above this, I expect this to continue to the north. Okay, obviously near term we need to clear this little area here, about 41,500. So long as we clear this, then we can have a nice clear break into sort of 42,500. It's just near term speculative trading, guys. The graph, I haven't heard of the graph. I'm going to note it down. The graph. I'm going to check it out. GRT. Oh, GRT. Sorry, I was thinking of something else. Okay, I'll check that out. Should we have a look at Bitcoin Cash technically, just while you mention it? I will. I know I'm very aware of the project as a whole, so we will review that. I'm still going to do a review of Bitcoin Cash because I feel like Bitcoin Cash is really undervalued right now. We've seen obviously the heights it's reached, almost like 2K, not far off. How far from that? Look, another 500%. But obviously it's just pulled right back with the rest of the market. Okay. Signs of potential there on the monthly. Potential rebound, excuse me. Weekly. Okay, not too much to note there at the moment. Just potential sort of double bottom area, it looks like. You see, it's just the same as everything else, by the way, on Bitcoin Cash. Look, we see this narrowing range, just ranging. We need to get a clear breakout. All right, whether that plays out to the downside or to the upside. Obviously, I hope to the upside for the sake of the whole industry, for the whole market, as a long-term holder. But yeah, we're just ranging at the moment. Not too much to note. I'm assuming it's going to follow suit with everything else, and we're going to pop to the upside. Again, I think there's still a little bit more relief rally post the FOMC rate decision. But I'll review Bitcoin Cash properly in another video. That'll come in another token review. Let me just go back to Bitcoin. I think we'll try and push a little bit, squeeze a bit more higher here. These longs. Let's see. All right. We're only down 0.2% on the day. But yeah, as a reminder on that, I'm expecting that to pop to the upside from here. Okay. Breakout. Hopefully it's not a false breakout. We come back and re-challenge this area of support, form a resistance, and then push in towards sort of 45,500. Ethereum's continuing to push to the upside, obviously that pennant area. This is quite significant, I think, so long as this holds above today. Look at that. You know, it's a clear area of resistance that's contained a price since December, and Ethereum's making a bit of a break here, by the way, guys. As long as it doesn't prove to be a fake out. I have to stress that. Relief rally from FOMC. This is relief rally, okay? The FOMC were not that hawkish yesterday. So, yeah. What else is there to note? Yeah, I think that's it really at the moment, guys. Okay, keep an eye on those Bitcoin longs. Same with XRP. Those longs there look valid to me. Yeah, we're pushing out, going for a little push to the upside. That's conservative bit at 82.00, but I think we can push into this zone here, at least sort of just shy of 84.00 there on XRP. If anyone that margin trades, I do like these longs here with XRP and BTC. Okay, let's see how those play out. Hope that scenario plays out. It'll be interesting. See if we do get that breakout into 42.5. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it, guys, today. Just a quick one. Just wanted to give you that update. I know that someone had a go at me the other day, and he ended up deleting his comment. He deleted it because I had a little war of words with him because someone said... basically, my title yesterday, what did I call it yesterday? I said, oh, Bitcoin screwed, right? I said it's screwed. I was thinking more from a fundamental perspective, right, where I said how the markets need time to adjust to this rate hiking cycle from the FOMC. And that was just my opinion, and how technically, if this does reject here and we don't manage to break above the balls, then we are screwed. We're going to come all the way down towards 20K. 30K first, right? And stops will be triggered to the downside and we come down to 20K. If we don't break out of this above this resistance here. If, you know, and anyway, so I said, the guy was just a bit on one. People don't like it, right? And at the end of the day, we just got to accept facts. Like, I'm a realist. In the market, I analyze what I see. At the end of the day, I don't want doom and gloom for the market. I analyze what I see and just fairly commentate. Bias, and I'm non-biased. I trade what I see. You know, I trade what I see. And anyway, the guy hated me. He hated me. You know, I won't even repeat some of the stuff that he said because it's really rude. And I just said, at the end of the day, that's your opinion. I said, thank you for your thoughts. And at the end of the day, he obviously had an agenda, a bit of a horrible tone. I said, look, at the end of the day, he said, I apologize. I just hate when people use clickbait titles and stuff. But he apologized after. But I said to him, look, the way in which you're conducting yourself, the energy that you're pushing out, these war of words that you're typing on the keyboard, like all that hate, it's only going to come back to you. So I said, look, no need to apologize, my friend. No need to apologize. At the end of the day, the energy that you're pushing out is only going to come back to you. So I do have pity for you, you know. So it's just something to always be aware of, guys. Something I've learned from over my years when I was just this stroppy teenager years ago. And I'd be, you know, when things weren't going my way and you'd throw hate on someone else. It's not good, man. It's not good energy. If you've got bad thoughts, keep them to yourself. Don't go and put that energy out to someone because it's not good. Trust me. It's really not good. All right, that's my babbling. God, anyway, done. Anyway, other than that, guys, I will do those reviews. I've got down Vite, V-I-T-E. I've got Bitcoin Cash, and I've got the Graph as well, GRT. Any others, do comment. Drop me a message on my Instagram and let me know. But that's it for now. Stay lit, stay blessed.